In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Microsoft 365 issues on your device. So let's say you've installed Microsoft 365 on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 operating system, and Office keeps on crashing. So when you open Excel, Outlook, or for example, Microsoft Word, it just keeps on crashing or is very, very slow. So there are different methods in which you can actually fix this problem. One of them is actually to try to do an online repair on your device. So what we can actually do is the following. We can actually start the run command and enter the application wizard.cpl. Just hit enter. Here you can see I have the Microsoft of 365 Office installed on my device. So I have different languages. We have the NL, but I'm actually interested in the English USA. So here you can see we have the English USA. So what I'm going to do is just, you can actually try to right click or just select it and then choose change, and don't choose uninstall because it's going to remove it from your device. So when I click change, it's going to actually pop up the user's account control. Click OK, and then here you can see we have two options. We have the options to actually do a quick repair, or we have the online repair. So the quick repair actually try to fix your device without having access to the internet. Why the online repair actually try to, you must actually have access to the internet because it's going to use Microsoft Office 365 from the website of Microsoft or from the database of Microsoft to actually try to use it to fix your Office on your personal device. So if you click online repair, this is going to actually take some time. It will take, for example, probably between 10 to 15 minutes for this to get repaired because it needs access to internet and it's going to download some files from the internet to your device. But for this tutorial, I'm going to go for the quick repair, which of course that is very fast. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes for your device, for the Office on your device to get fixed. And mind you, it's going to use Office installed on your device to actually fix your problem. So let's click on the quick repair and then click repair. So by clicking the repair, you can see it will actually try to repair Office on your device, and this is going to take just some few um, minutes. I think probably 1 or 2 minutes. Here we go. You can see it says we have finished repairing your Microsoft 365 and Office program and future. So we can now close this window and use your program. So what you can now do is the following. Just close Office. If you have Outlook or any other program open, close it, restart your device, and of course, try to see if that helps. But if that does not help, please send me a personal message and I will show you other method on how to fix this problem. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT videos. If you have any comment, any question, just leave a comment in the comment section of this video and I'll reply to you as quick as possible.